Based on the analytics of my YouTube channel, Stan Weinstein's stage analysis seems to be one of the most watched videos of my channel so far. And I understand that there are a lot of new players coming into the market on a regular basis and trying to understand the market. And I believe Stan Weinstein's stage analysis is for everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share about the man himself, Stan Weinstein, and share about his plan and why his plan is so widely followed. I wanted to emphasize more on this topic, which would of course help me to brush up my skills because, as per my Psychology of Money playlist, I keep saying that we always need to update our beliefs, right? Though I have a plan, I also need to check in to see whether any improvements are required. So what I'm going to do from here on is, of course, beside the Psychology of Money playlist, I'm going to work on Stan Weinstein's stage analysis, and I'm going to bring in each sector and do detailed analysis and share with you my perspective. In today's video, I'm going to share about the man himself, Stan Weinstein, and share about his plan and why his plan is so widely followed. So I'm going to share more about Stan in today's video. Stan Weinstein was the editor of the Professional Tape Reader, which predicted a 31% crash in the stock market in October 1987. And the author of 1988 book Secrets for Profiting in Bull and Bear Markets, where he describes his four-stage approach to security analysis. Stan has been actively engaged in the market since 1960s, and he has been credited for some of the most famous calls for the last 50 years using his stage analysis. Stan is a pure technical analyst, and why his plan is so widely followed? Because it is not rigid and it offers a lot of flexibility. His plan never offers certainty and it complements the uncertainty of the market beautifully. After predicting the 1987 crash, Stan appeared on a lot of news channels such as Wall Street Week, Moneyline, and he said, "I don't want to be a guru. I don't want the idiot investors who is looking for the perfect stock strategist. The stock market is sort of like gambling. It's another form of probability playing, and I'm a real good probability player." If you look at life, we are also playing the same probability game and always expecting certain outcomes, and we want each outcomes to be favorable to us. And if we follow a certain plan or process, we tend to get most of the outcomes favorable to us, and sometimes we won't get the desired result, and for which we should be fine with. So with Stan Weinstein's stage analysis, it is the similar approach. It follows a certain plan and process, and if we follow it, most of the times we would get a favorable outcome, and sometimes we won't, and we should be fine with it. And that's how we should roll. So let me sum it up his beautiful strategy in a nutshell, and of course over the course of this entire playlist, I'm going to bring in detailed analysis one by one and share with you my perspective on how I use Stan Weinstein's stage analysis. And of course, it varies person to person. The core fundamental stays the same, but everyone has different perspective. And again, as I keep saying on my other playlist, Psychology of Money, that we have to keep updating our beliefs. So it is a very good time for me to brush up my skills and understanding and perspective on how can I improve my stage analysis plan? Because every time when you look at the market, when you look at the chart, you seem to get more updates, more information, and you should be open to new information. So I'm going to use this playlist to improve myself and help you guys to understand what is Stan Weinstein's stage analysis. So first, we have a trading range wherein prices move in a sideways motion, forming a channel of support and resistance. We then see the price break down through the support level and give a brief pullback and then continue its descent downwards, staying below its 30-week moving average. Again, we see the price enter a trading range, but this time breaking out above the resistance level and a brief pullback and then continuing its ascent whilst remaining above its 30-week moving average. So you see, it is very simple. So in just a couple of sentences, I've shared what is stage 3 top, what is stage 4, what is stage 1 formation, and what is stage 2. So these are the 4 stages of Stan Weinstein's stage analysis. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel as I'm going to bring you more such content and detailed analysis on different sectors, different stocks, and even different indices, right? Dow Jones, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, IT sectors, and a lot of sectors out there, and I'm going to do sector analysis using Stan Weinstein's stage analysis. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, have a great day.